Hello, it's July the 29th. It is such a gorgeous day. I am doing a couple of VRs and I thought I'd do them in the garden, and I've also got something else to show you. I sent Andrea, the Cumbrian crafter, a little prize. She joined in my tag challenge for June, I think it was, and she won the prize. I'll be drawing soon for the July prize. I'll put that on now, what I sent to her. After lots of procrastinating, and you know, I have been recovering from major surgery as well, I have put together Andrea's little prize. So if you want to win a little prize, it won't be like this. I've gone above and beyond because I've been procrastinating. But if you want to be in with a chance of winning a little goodie from me, you need to take part in the hashtag PT Tag Club, which is goes live the 10th of every month. And this month's is, the prompts are melt and hide. Interpret those as you see fit. And yes, if you share what you've made with the hashtag PT Tag Club, I will put you into a draw to win a little something from me. So I've made this little ephemera folder using my envelope punch board. So this is the front cover. This is the back cover. So it's all Tim Holtz stuff. You know, I love my Tim Holtz stuff. So, yeah, just 8x8 paper, 8x8 paper, some ephemera. So there's a photo booth, and I've used the stickers, pearl and olive. So special delivery there. Just layered up a little botanical with a little tiny, it says New York Botanical, can't even see what that says, garden, New York Botanical Garden. Then you open it up. Each of these are lined with more paper. I love this man. And I've got some bits and pieces to put in the pockets. So on this side, just some scrap paper, which could be a nice journaling card. I've got this journaling card. These are all Tim Holtz bits and pieces. I'm just trying to get that in so it doesn't overhang. I love this maze, and I know that Andrea will find some use for these. And another little bit of paper that's double-sided, and some photo booth photos, and a typewriter element. These can be inked up, and then some little tiny bits of ephemera, world map. So these are ideal to put in little junk journals, and you can write on the back of them. So we'll put them in like that. And then on this side, I've got a butterfly. In fact, actually, it's exactly the same butterfly, but no, it's not. So there's a butterfly. I've just made a little pocket here. I'm going to put that in that way, actually. Then there's some paper dolls. I love my paper dolls. So you can go in like that. You can go in like that. You can go in like that. You can go there. And then this butterfly wings. Let's move you up this way a little bit, sorry. Butterfly wings. And then, yes, I've just done a little pocket here out of a bit of ephemera and just put some little tiny bits in and just glued a little bit on there. These girls are called Pearl and Olive. And then, do you remember years ago, if you've been with me from the start, I made this quite early on. I used a stamp set that was free with creative stamping, and it's like a stationery box. It's got stamps that are out of date, look, and it's got a little notebook in it. But I've taken a card out of here, which I shall write to send to her. I've been thinking about you, and envelope. Yes, so that is what I've made for Andrea and what I'm sending off. Excuse me looking such a mess. It's a really warm day, and I just want to be comfortable with the old hairage. So 3 VRs. The first one is for Teresa, the car boot crafter. Now, she was one of the first people who subscribed to my channel when I was very new, and I was one of the first people she was one of the first people, that I subscribed to as a crafter, and she's such a lovely lady, and I love her name, the Car Boot Crafter. Anyway, she's on the road to 1,000 subscribers, and she's keeping the giveaway open until she gets to 1,000 subscribers. She's currently, I've just looked at 989, so that is amazing, isn't it? And you don't have to do anything. All you have to do, I'll link the video in this description box, in this video's description box. Can't get my words out. I'm sorry, Teresa, it's not very professional of me, is it? Yes, I will leave her video linked in the description box, and yeah, all you've got to do is say enter me on that video and do a VR or share on social media. So that's a lovely Teresa, Car Boot Crafter. The next one is Amber's Kintyre's Crafts, and I need to get a wiggle on with this because I think this is only open until beginning of August. I don't know why she's doing a giveaway. I couldn't quite figure it out, but she does a lot of giveaways. She's really generous, and all you have to do for that is to make an ATC, and you need your name, address on it, your likes and dislikes, so that if she wants to send happy mail, she can do so. I think that's it. Yes, and do a VR and share on socials. So that's Amber. And then finally Christine Carpenter, Christine's Cards and Things. What a lovely thing she's doing. She is having a giveaway, and all you've got to do is make a birthday card for her brother Tim, who is going to be 75 on the 18th of August, and her giveaway is open until the 15th of August. So that is that. Those are my 3 VRs, and I hope you liked what I made for Andrea. If you'd like a tutorial, leave me a comment and perhaps I'll get around to doing one this week. Bit busy with the magazine commission, seems to be all I say these days, isn't it? And the bit of paper's just flown off my lap in a gentle breeze, but there we are. I'm off now. Bye.